Morning guys, it's Jeff with HKS Systems. I'm just going over a quick review of some of these small format interchangeable core key punches. We're going to be reviewing the A1 green machine. Then we have the Best AD433. I have two of those. One is for a different type of format. It's a left side drive, and then there's the right side drive, which is your more common keyways that you'd see. And then I also have one that I really am fond of that's easy to get around with. It's the Ilco Exacta. It does interchangeable cores as well. Really nice light unit, and it allows you to punch them out and carry those around easily without having to lug these big guys around. Big guys are definitely better made, but they also weigh about 30 pounds each, so the other one's sort of nice. So if you're not familiar with the interchangeable core system, basically you can master key the cores just like any other typical core. These ones though have a little bit of a neat thing where keyways there, they have an interchangeable core and the lug is what keeps it in housing. So you could just put your control key in. You're going to retract that lug. That's all that control key does is retracts that lug back and forth. And then that allows you to put it into different housings. So if you want to do a rim cylinder, you do a rim cylinder. You can take that out. If you want to do a mortise cylinder, just stick that in there. It allows you to take that and install it right away. You could do key and levers, padlocks, pretty much anything. So we're not really here to discuss that. We're actually just here to show you how to cut keys on these guys. So the first thing we're going to do is, these are the codes. We already know the codes because I made them up, and I would not use these in the field. These are just generic codes for a quick and easy ugly type. So control key is 333333. User key is 3555555. So we're going to just show you how quickly you could do these on the machines. Let me just zoom out here a little bit. Put a key in. With these models, all you do is just pull out the plunger, insert the key, that plunger goes in back of the actual key. It sort of pushes pressure against it, and then you're going to just put in the cuts. The dial is very simple. It's just left or right. So with this, we're going to do 3. Make sure it's pulled all the way out. 3, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Pull it out. Pull the key out. See, that's the key. Works smooth as butter. So that's the first key.